Welcome to the realm of uncompromising lawnmowers. Hi, my name's Daniel Vinoy, and I'm going to show you how to operate this particular riding lawnmower. There are 5 quick and easy steps to do that. Step number 1 is know where the power's going. Step number 2 is know how to steer it. Step number 3 is know the controls on the dash. Step number 4 is know how fast to go. And step number 5 is know how to drive on the lawn to make sure that the lawn looks its best. Let's start with step number 1. The engine gives power to 2 different places. The back tires, because it's a rear-wheel drive vehicle, and the blades, which cut the grass. Okay? Next, you have the steering. When you turn this steering wheel clockwise, the front wheels turn to the right. When you turn counterclockwise, these wheels turn to the left. Next, let's look at the controls on the dash. First thing you'll see is the throttle. When you push the throttle forward, the engine is given more gas, therefore it gives out more power. When you pull it back, it gets less fuel, therefore less power. Next is the choke. It's used for starting only. When you push the choke forward, it literally chokes the engine. Therefore, there is less air going into the combustion chamber, and the mixture of fuel to air is richer, which means there's more fuel. Next is the deck lock. This control here and this pedal here both relate to this metal deck here. That metal deck is called the deck, which covers the blades for our safety because there are 4 blades that spin in tandem very quickly and they can easily cut through flesh. Okay? So when you push in on the deck pedal, the deck comes up. You pull up on the deck control or the deck lock and it locks it up. When you push in on the pedal again, it brings the deck off the lock, therefore you can now push down on it and the deck will fall down. Okay? When you come over around this side, you will see the parking brake, which works very similar to that. You push in on the brake, down on the parking brake is disengaged, therefore you can push it and it will roll. You put it back on, you push in on the brake, pull back up on the parking brake, and the parking brake is back on now. Next, you have the cruise control. So when you're driving along and you want to keep an even speed to make sure that the grass gets an even cut, which is very important when mowing the lawn, you will pull in on this and it locks the gas pedal in the place you had it. Finally, you have the blades. So as I said, there are 4 blades under the deck that spin together. So when you pull on this, all 4 of them turn on at the same time to cut the grass, and to shut it off, you just push back in. Finally, there is the forward pedal, forward arrow, reverse pedal, reverse arrow. Now, let's get started. As I said, push in on the choke. You're going to turn the key all the way over and let off the choke. Okay? Now that the lawnmower is turned on, we're going to start to cut some grass. So you always have the throttle all the way forward when cutting grass to make sure that the lawnmower doesn't stall. So we will take the parking brake off, turn the blades on, cut the grass. Put on cruise control, pull it up and on. And now I put on the pedal and the lawnmower will stay at the same speed. Therefore, the lawn will get an even cut. Okay? Take it off, put the gas, turn it off. Shut the blades off. The blade in control again. Pull down the throttle. Put the parking brake on. And shut off the lawn. Now, something very important to know about mowing the lawn is that when you are mowing, you always want it so that this black piece here is on the outside of the cut. This is because the lawnmower shoots the grass out this way, therefore when you're mowing, say in a circle, the grass will shoot out, rather than having this on the inside and all the grass clumping into the middle. And that's pretty much it. So when mowing the lawn, you need to remember 5 quick and easy steps. Know where the power is going, know how to steer your lawnmower, know the controls on the dash. You also need to know how fast to go when you're driving, and you need to know where to drive the lawnmower and where to put the grass to make your lawn look its best. If you follow all those quick and easy steps, your lawn will look amazing. And that's pretty much what the John Deere lawnmower is here for. Thank you very much.